Hi guys, Tam here from Art Tree Creations, and I'm going to walk you through how to apply alcohol inks to the Art Tree Creations black aluminium art boards. So Art Tree Creations have manufactured and created these amazing alcohol ink art boards. They're made with an aluminium panel and they have two options. You've got a white side or a black side. They're a very high gloss, silky surface. These are a great alternative to using Yupo paper. Now the black side is probably one of my most favourite surfaces to work on. And what you need to do first is actually peel off the plastic. The plastic is on the board to protect it from any surface scratches. You want to remove this first to ensure that your art board is ready to work on. I've chosen to work with Copic colours today. Copics are one of my favourite alcohol ink brands to work with. The most important alcohol ink though, when using the black surface, is the white. Now my chosen white is the Blanco Blanco by Jacquard. It gives me a really good white base to now add my colour inks onto. The other medium that I'm using today is the Art Tree Creations Rose Gold Metal Powders. Now the metal powders are a powder form and I add these directly onto the artwork and they give me a really rich floating leafing rose gold colour throughout the artwork that you can see. So your first step is to put a flood of the white alcohol ink down, and then you need to drip in your chosen colour. Now by dripping in only a few drops into the white, you will get a very light colour. Adding a few more drops, that will darken that colour off and give it some real boldness. Using your hairdryer, you want to blow around the inks until it is spread enough but still wet. So when the colours merge and blend together, they create this gorgeous effect. With the white underneath, they then also create a beautiful texture. With your next application of white, choose a new colour. Add your colour in before using your hairdryer to blow the inks around. Sprinkle down some of the Art Tree Creations metal powders. You won't need much, but as you hairdry this around, the metal powders will float. They will float off to the edge, creating some beautiful texture and highlights in your artwork. When creating and using the Art Tree Creations black alcohol ink boards, choosing the black colour, you want to place your artwork towards either the centre or throughout the board, making sure you leave some black negative space. By choosing to leave some black negative space, you'll make your colours stand up off your artwork. To add some more detail to your alcohol ink artwork on these boards, you can use a paint pen. Now you want to use a paint pen that is suitable to go over the top of alcohol ink artwork, because you don't want to use one that contains any acid or alcohol in it, as that will destroy your artwork. To seal the artwork off, you want to use your chosen alcohol ink sealer. Apply 2 to 3 coats of this on the top to seal, Once dry, you'll be able to hang your masterpiece on the wall. These boards can also take a coat of epoxy resin over the top. By making sure that you seal the artwork first before applying epoxy resin to ensure that none of your colours or image will change. Another benefit of using these alcohol ink artboards is that once you have your artwork down, if you don't actually like it, you can flood it with alcohol and then remove the artwork completely and start again. So very much like a whiteboard. Hope you guys really like this video. I hope it's inspired you to want to use alcohol inks and try them on the black alcohol ink artboards by Arttree Creations. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel. We've got plenty more art videos coming, and we'll see you next time. Bye.